Hello everybody, my name is Shardul Mehta and I am your Bay Area Realtor. Today we are in prime San Jose in a prime Cambrian neighborhood, showcasing you another listing which is an absolute gorgeous remodeled house. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-story, single-family house with an approximate 1,100 square foot of inside space and 6,500 square foot of backyard space. Built in 1959 and remodeled in 2022, this home is something that you may want to check it out. Upon entry, you're greeted with a double-wide luxury vinyl flooring, tiled electric fireplace with abundance of natural sunlight just pouring in through these new double-pane windows overlooking the hills. As you walk in the kitchen, you're greeted with a long counterspace and apron-style sink, finished with plenty of soft closing cabinets for your storage needs with high-end appliances and finishes, making this a 10 out of 10 kitchen. As you walk through the house, you are welcomed by this beautiful, fully remodeled guest bathroom, tiled all the way to the ceiling with high-end fixtures, polished brass trims and rainfall shower head for a refreshing bathing experience. Moving on to the bright master suite, which comes with its own remodeled contemporary bathroom, has a sliding barn door style entrance. It also has a separate access to the entertainer's backyard. The other two rooms too are fully remodeled with tons of natural light, while one of them has an outside access as well. Oh, did I tell you this home comes with an independent 2-car newly epoxied garage that opens up to a newly paved driveway for additional parking? And just on the side, you have double doors that leads to a long cemented additional driveway for your RV or anything else you want to use it for. In the back, you have a fully landscaped, low-maintenance entertainer's paradise to hold large events or for your dogs or kids to just run around and be themselves. And as far as the location, this is literally just walking distance to the award-winning schools and under 10 minutes to get to the freeway, making the commute a breeze. I hope you liked the house as much as I did. There's just so many upgrades to list. But if you have any questions or want to check out the house in person, give me a call. You have my number. Thanks for watching.